Back for last farm tour, okay? So we're doing tour of playground at farm. So first we got the barrel. It's very fun. You can burn stuff in it. Even the school bully can take him to going in here because you have no idea what the heck you do with this. Put him in here and then you burn, okay? If you look in here, you can see the ashes of him if you see. He got some flowers because it said grave. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now we're on to the very fun stuff. The very fun stuff. So first here we got the sandbox. It looks more like a jungle right now. It looks like Vietnam, but I don't care. So over here you got your wheat that you can cut with the tractor in the play box. Got some weeds you can spray, and you got some canola right here. They can combine. No, this is canola right there. No, that's cotton, I think. And then here the manure that you spread on the field. Pretty cool. Children love it. Right here, this is rope, and you swing on rope. Wouldn't recommend it because it's a little moldy. Might predict, I don't know, I'm fat. Right here we got the monkey bars. This is where little Jimmy died yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. But he thought it'd be a good idea to climb on these even though it was rotting. It broke and then he fell and then he died somehow, I don't know. Cut it like, I don't know, about 5 feet off the ground or something, I don't know. I'm like 5'11", so who cares? But that's far off the phone. So, cameraman, you stay here, but I'll do tour. Okay, this is where you can go to like hang out if you want. It just shield you from the sun, even though the trees here. But like, if it's noon, sun up there, or if it's morning, sun over there. I don't care. So okay, probably going up here, so I'm not going to. So up here is where you can go in here, play with your friends still. You slide it, not that long, but it gets the job done. Yellow slides, so kids love yellow because they pee. They like peeing. It's very fun. Like one of their favorite activities to pee on their father or mother. That smells like poop over here. I don't know why. I think Jimmy pooped over here. I don't know. So yeah, that might. Well, wait, right here we got the play field. If you don't want to play on the play structure, you can die on it. So you can run around over here, do Fortnite dances, or whatever the kids do these days. I'm gonna fix my thing. And that's about it. Have fun at my playground if you come here. Very cool. See you. Subscribe, comment, drink water, and don't die.